Hello everyone, welcome to Bug Bounty DM. So in this video we are going to discuss about another tool where which is most underrated way of finding vulnerability, this particular bug vulnerability. So most of the bug bounty hunters and penetration testers will miss out checking for this kind of vulnerability in their day-to-day testing. So the vulnerability is like finding sensitive PII information in document meta information. Okay, using a tool called Exiftool. So basically, Exiftool is a very well-known open source tool, which is basically used in mostly in OS end. Okay, so here we will be using that particular tool and few customized shell script, bash script and all, and few other third-party tools and all. We will be collaborating. I mean, using all those third-party tools and you collect use it in a proper way to find out sensitive PI information in documents. So let's see how we can go ahead with this particular vulnerability. So this is the approach. So first we need to use uh, there is a tool called go-dork. So go-dork is basically a Google docking automation tool where you just need to enter the tool name over here and the query string query flag over here and give the doc Google Doc which you wanted to basically perform Google docking on that particular application. So as in this particular vulnerability, we need basically document kind of files, right? So that is the reason I'm using the Google Doc query called file type and with PDF as a extension. So I'm basically targeting. I took a target called Facebook.com with a wildcard scope in this particular target, and I just wanted to crawl this particular tool for just 10 pages. Okay, so you just need to give the number. Let's say you want to give crawl only for 5 pages, you can give 5 or 10 or 20 or etc, and grab that all the .pdf extensions urls only from the output and save it in this particular file. Okay, after running this command, so all the .pdf extension files will be urls will be saved in this particular file, download docs.txt as shown here. So as you can see, portal.facebook.com, which has one of the .pdf file, and developers has one of developers.facebook.com has one of the PDF file, and many other subdomains also consists of PDF extensions and all. So you this is not only restricted till PDF documents. So we can also perform this particular attack on .doc and .docx and .pt and .pptx and .xml, etc., etc. So all these file extensions could be vulnerable for this particular sensitive PI information in leak in meta informations. Okay, so I'm just taking as .pdf as a thing in this particular demo video. Okay, so all the .pdf extension URLs are now saved, stored in this particular file. So now what we need to do is like we need to download all these .pdf extensions, .pdf files in our local system by using a command called by using a tool called xargs. Okay, so you just need to give the xargs command and you give the file name where that all the PDF URLs are stored. So give the path of where the file got were created, and give this command. All the files will be downloaded. So instead of downloading all these files over here, we just need to create one empty folder. So let's say new D, which is a new documents and all. So let's get into that folder. As you can see, there are no files in this particular folder. So I'm just pasting the command over there by xargs command. So all the documents which are there will be downloaded in this particular folder. As you can see, the download has started for each and every URL. If you go into the new D folder, So all the files will be downloaded over here, as you can see. Okay. Yeah. I think these are the list of files which are already hosted on the application, Facebook application. So what we need to do is now is like use this particular customized bash script, so which contains a simple code which uses which basically creates a meta dot json metadata dot json file where all the input meta information only will be crawled and scanned and saved in this particular metadata dot json by using a tool called Exif tool. Okay, so you will be using this particular tool in order to save all the meta information in one file, in one JSON file. Okay, so let's use this particular command. The Let's go back to the folder. So here we have this process underscore documents dot sh. So I'll be giving this particular bash script file in the description link, and also I'll be giving you a beautiful article which was written by some organization, some university. So which clears cuts clears all your doubts, like what kind of extensions are vulnerable, how to basically we need to crawl that particular documents in a selected target, and how we need to use a Exif tool, and what is the metadata, and what is where this particular information is will be stored in this file, etc., etc. All the doubts which you have in your brain so will be cleared if you read this particular document. It's only 77 pages, so you just need to go and read this particular document. Every query of yours will be solved. So now let's use this process underscore documents dot sh tool. So our folder is new D, right? So all the files are saved in that. So let's give that file over here. So yeah, so all the files have been now scanned for meta information, and as like I said, all the meta information of that particular documents will be saved in one file called metadata.json, right? So here another a new file got created which is metadata.json. So if you open this file in a notepad, so you can see a JSON output which consists of all the meta information of all the files which are we have kept for scanning. Okay, so in this meta information we basically have multiple tags in here. So like source file, directory, file size, file created, file modified, okay, and company name, PDF version. So this is very important: PDF version, company name, and there will be some comments. Okay, so in comments also some sensitive information will get disclosed, which should not be open to the public. Okay, and also the producer, like what kind of tool, Adobe version they are using. Okay, all this will be disclosed in this meta information. Okay, document ID, etc., etc. So as you can see, there are plenty of tags that are there. So all there might be some sensitive information which could be disclosed, which you need, which you should not be missed out. Okay, so and also some creator names will also be disclosed, like Jack, Macon, etc., etc. So these are basically internal employees. Names could be would be could be there. So that should not be disclosed to the public. So so that can be disclosed by using this meta information and all. So let's see how you can basically get rid of all that clumsiness and all. So you just need to use this particular JQ tool. Okay, so basically it beautifies and gives you the exact tags which you wanted to get in the output of that particular file, JSON file. Okay, so if you see over here, when you give that command and the tags which you want to look out for, or like author, file name, comments, etc., title, description, producer, etc., etc., only that will be disclosed in the output. So as you can see, this is a file name, and this could be the comments. So, okay, so and these are the author names. Okay, Jack Macon and Scott Bombs. And there could be some comments like certificate of status of beneficial, etc., etc. So this there could be some sensitive information could be leaked in the comments and the tags, other tags in the meta information. So for example, let me show you one example. Here it is. There, this is the meta information which we exactly we looked out for in the JSON file, right? So this information could be sensitive like this. So there could be some tags which are disclose sensitive information like comments. So in the comments they have clearly mentioned that this particular comment discloses the FTP username, password, and their IP, FTP IP, etc. So which is you know truly critical vulnerability. Basically, any attacker can use this particular FTP credentials, and they can upload or download sensitive files from that particular FTP server. So yeah, so these kind of sensitive vulnerabilities could be found out. Most of the bug bounty hunters miss out this to check out this particular process. So I recommend every bug hunter has to, or pen tester has to include this particular approach in their checklist at the time of bug bounty hunting or pen testing. So yeah, I hope you understood this particular way of approach of finding sensitive PI information in meta information documents. So I hope make sure to please subscribe and like and share. Thank you so much.